In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move to a single Mailchimp audience. This process can be a game changer for simplifying your email marketing efforts. So, let's jump right in. First, we'll be exporting data from all of your existing audiences. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and navigating to the audience section. Here, you need to select the audience that you want to export. Once selected, look for the option to export audience and go ahead and click that. You'll then need to download the CSV file generated for your export. It is important to repeat this process for each of your audiences, ensuring that you have a CSV file for each group of contacts. Once you have all your CSV files, let's move on to cleaning and consolidating your data. You can use any spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets to combine all the CSV files into a single comprehensive spreadsheet. As you do this, carefully check for any duplicates in your data, using the subscriber email as the primary identifier to spot any repeats. Alongside this, take the time to standardize fields such as first name, last name, tags, and any custom fields you might have to make sure everything is consistent and organized. Next, it's time to create a single audience within Mailchimp. Head back to Mailchimp and click on Audience, then navigate to Settings and choose Create Audience. You'll be tasked with configuring your audience settings, including assigning a name and setting the default from email address. As you set this up, consider enabling the double opt-in feature if it aligns with your marketing strategy and helps in building a cleaner, more engaged subscriber list. Now comes the moment to import your contacts. Within the newly created audience, go to Manage Audience and select Import Contacts. You'll want to choose the Upload a File option, and from here upload your meticulously cleaned CSV file. You'll then need to map the fields accurately. This means ensuring that fields like email, first name, last name, and tags from your spreadsheet match those in Mailchimp. Getting these mappings correct is essential for smooth data integration. After mapping, the final step is to click Finalize Import. This action completes the process, effectively moving all your contacts from multiple audiences into a singular, streamlined Mailchimp audience. By consolidating your contacts into a single list, you simplify your email marketing efforts and can more easily segment and target your audience for future campaigns. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully moved to a single audience in Mailchimp, optimizing your marketing processes for efficiency and clarity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in simplifying your email marketing strategy.